Hi guys, welcome to my channel Be The Women, and I hope you all are doing good, doing well. And today's haul would be of Delhi Hut. The suits that I've got from Delhi Hut, I got three suits, which is particularly one kurta, one chikankari sort of kurta, and two unstitched one, which is cotton, pure cotton, okay, and they actually don't bleed. So yeah, let's get started. And I also post my pictures with those kurtas at the end of the video. Okay, let's get started. So first would be this kurta. As you can see, this is the work. It's about 2 inch above the normal ankle length that we usually prefer nowadays, and it's pure cotton. However, I got a size a little loose. It was a little loose on me, so I got it altered from the tailor, and this is how it looks. You see. It's beautiful. Now it's actually body hugging on me because I don't know, my size has been changed after I given the measurement to the tailor, but uske baad it's really looking good. I'll insert the picture at the end of the video. You can see how it looks. Okay, and yes, the material is cotton. It's very comfortable, and trust me on that, it looks really beautiful when you wear it, and especially with that white palazzo trouser and white dupatta with some kind of gota patti or gota kinari work or some chota chota shishe ka work will look absolutely gorgeous on that. And now the stitched suits, unstitched one, sorry, it's a three-piece suit. Sorry, I have got it stitched. I got it, I think 2 months back when I went to Delhi Hut. See, this is the kurta, the normal ikat print sort of that we get, and this is the border that we get most of in Sambhalpuri cotton, in Mangalgiri cotton, and normal cotton that South Indians prefer, right? This is the border, and I got that border in this part as well. Let me show you. And मेरे टेलर ने बहुत बड़ी गड़बड़ कर दी थी. I want this to be 1 inch or 2 above the ankle, but ये छोटा है, यहाँ पे भी है. It's pure cotton, okay, and this is the pant. This is how the pant looks. This is the print, and I'm so sorry, it has a dupatta, but I'm not able to find it. My daughter has kept it somewhere, I think. Okay, no issues. Let's move on to the third one. This is the color. However, I don't like much light colors. After marriage, I prefer to like yellow colors. However, I didn't used to like yellow colors because I think it looks really odd and flashy on me, yellow and that bold orange. But I tried it, and yellow looks good on me. This is the suit. It has also border sort of a thing, here and here, which I've made the tailor to attached. This is the dupatta. Dupatta is beautiful. Dupatta is also cotton. Length is proper, width is proper, and this is the pajama. Okay. And these two cotton that are unstitched, I got it for around 1000. They quoted me 1500 something, but I got it for 1000. And I don't really remember the name of that store in Delhi Hut, but it starts from where stalls आपके start होते हैं, जहाँ पे सारे सूट्स का कलेक्शन होता है. देयर आर सूट्स का कलेक्शन फ्रॉम लाइन बाय लाइन. ओके, एज यू पास बाय यू विल सी, and it's majorly on, when you enter Delhi Hut, it majorly on the left hand side of the streets. Okay, so yeah, these were for 1000, and the kurti that I got was for like 1400 something. Okay, And the kurti I got from, there are many stores from which they keep chikankari kurti in many colors, whether and in many fabrics as well, cotton, chiffon. Yes, in chiffon also chikankari work is done, and in georgette as well. So yeah, I hope you like the video, and I'll insert the picture at the end of the video. And if you like, kindly like and please subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you, bye bye.